Hello everyone. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies online classes on ethical hacking. So, what is this ethical hacking means? So, there is a word called hacking. So, a lot of mobile applications, a lot of web applications, which are going to be getting hacked by the cyber attacks and cyber hacking persons. Okay, so what is the meaning of ethical hacking? Ethical is the word. Ethical is something like good hacking. Good hacking, nothing but, for example, in our organization, I just want to understand my organization, and for that organization, what is going on, I just want to check the analysis. So how the connections are going to be established, and any other loosely coupled connections are there. Something like it is security or not. So, for example, in the home, you have security lockers and security keys kind of thing. Okay, that is something like ethical hacking means good hacking. Okay, the good hacking, nothing but I just want to keep my home safe. The same time, I just want to keep my network safe. I just want to keep my organization safe. So, in organization, multiple connectors, multiple connections, multiple users, multiple domains which are going to be available. I need to understand my total organization in the security manner. That is basically called ethical hacking. So we will be having a lot of concepts in the ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is something like authorized and legal practice of using hacking techniques to identify the vulnerabilities and weakness in the computer systems, networks, applications, with the goal of improving security before malicious hackers can exploit them. And benefits of ethical hacking. Ethical hacking benefits organizations by proactively discovering and fixing security vulnerabilities before malicious attacks can exploit them, thereby preventing data breaches and reducing the risk of financial and reputational damage. And in the module one, what we can discuss in the part of the course is introduction to ethical hacking, basics of ethical hacking, cybersecurity, types of hackers, white hackers, black hackers, gray hat hackers, and cybersecurity principles like legal frameworks, what are the things which are available. And in the module 2, footprinting, uh, reconnaissance and information gathering techniques, DNS, WHOIS, and footprinting tools, social engineering basics. Module 3, scanning networks, network scanning concepts, Nmap, NSS, Open VAS tools, vulnerability discussion, detection. And the module 4, system hacking, we will discuss, password cracking methods, we will discuss, privilege escalation, we will discuss, malware threats, we can discuss, and countermeasures, we can discuss. In the module 5, Trojans, backdoors, and viruses, type of malwares, how they spread, detection and removal techniques, real world malware case studies. Module 6, snipping session, hijacking, packet sniffing tools, wirehack, TCP dump, ARP poisoning, session hijacking, network defense mechanisms. In module 7, web application hacking, SQL injection, XSS, CSRF attacks, web server vulnerabilities, secure coding, and OWSP top 10. And module 8, wireless network hacking and Wi-Fi security standards like WEP, WPA, WPA2, WPA3, wireless attacks like Evil Twin, packet injection, tools like ERICAC, NG, and Kismet. In module 9, cryptography and hashing and encryption algorithms like AES, RSA, public key infrastructure, PKI, password security best practices. Module 10, cloud IoT hacking, cloud security challenges, IoT devices, voluntaries, defense strategies in embedding attack. Module 11, penetration testing, reporting, phases of penetration testing, writing a professional pen test report, compliance, GDPR, ISO 2000, 27001, HIPPA, module features. Okay. So in this module, last module, we will discuss this penetration testing models and all, and we have to write some Python programming concepts there. So I will give you the Python programming techniques, and we are going to be teaching end-to-end training from this zero to hero level, zero to master level. So, ethical hacking course. Okay. So the features of Mohan's technology. What Mohan's technology specialization is learning by the experience, learning by the working, and workspace atmosphere and learning, and master skills like real-time projects and concepts every day. Whatever we are done in the class, that concept is a real-time concept. We will be having the practical scenarios on that. You people can do practices by learning every day, and every day you have to learn something. Within 45 days this course get finished, all the modules can get finished, and you will be getting a good knowledge on the ethical hacking model, and you will be getting the good jobs then. Real time coding challenges will be there, 100% job placement assistance is there, interview preparation is there, coding challenges are there, mock up interviews every day we will monitor you, every day we will try to giving you different kind of real time scenarios to do the practices and all. And the thing, I just want to tell you one more thing, guys. Okay, let me show one thing. So how the job market available for the ethical hacking. So let me open the LinkedIn. If LinkedIn is the basically a big job portal, everybody is going to be there available in the LinkedIn. IT people like managers, senior managers, HRs, different kind of admin level people. All the people are there in the LinkedIn. So you search in the LinkedIn ethical hacking. So huge number of openings they are actually posting here. The same time, one more other Naukri is there. Naukri is also one more job portal where people are uploading the resumes and checking for the jobs and all. So fresher jobs are there, experienced jobs are there. I keep just 1 to 2 years of experience, 0 to 2 years of experience, or 0 to 1 year experience. Ethical hacking jobs are there. A lot of ethical hacking postings are there for the freshers also. If you have the good experience, then you can search for the 1, 2, 3, 4 years. When you search for 6 years of ethical hacking, so you will be getting thousands of jobs in the Naukri. So LinkedIn is there, Naukri is there, and some other job portals are there, something like Times Jobs, even Shine is there. Shine, there are a number of job openings, and Time Jobs and number of job openings, huge number of thousands, 11,906 ethical hacking jobs are there. And one more thing, come to the Indeed also ethical hacking is there. A lot of job opportunities which are going to be available. And so if you want, go and check with the mohanstechnologies.com. So we will be having the website called mohanstechnologies.com, and we are expertise in cybersecurity mainly. So we have a lot of cybersecurity courses like IAM courses, SSO, okay, PingFederate, CyberArk, okay, Okta kind of things. The same time, we will be having the different kind of data science, prompt engineering, data related courses. And we only have emerging technologies like quantum computing and blockchain and all the kind of full stacks kind of things. And if you want, you can just go through the website, you can able to understand all the things. And one more thing, we will be having the YouTube channel called Mohan's Technologies. If you open the Mohan's Technologies, you will be having a lot of videos already uploaded. So different kind of Gen AI videos, Gen AI playlists are there. So open the Gen AI playlist, you can find out the Gen AI videos. So whatever the playlist you want, you can open the videos. So you will be having a lot of other videos also there. Okay, watch freely. And when you people not have the subscription for this YouTube, just go for subscribe. Okay, so just there is an option called subscribe option. You can just subscribe the channel. Okay, like the video, share the video, give the valuable comments on this, and subscribe the channel. Please provide the comments on this. Like the video, subscribe the video, comment the video. And one more thing, in the coming session, we will be having a lot of ethical hacking videos. I will be uploading regularly for you, and a lot of other technology videos also we will be uploading for you. So like blockchain videos, cybersecurity, SOC videos, quantum computing videos, full stack videos, generative AI videos, and PingFederate videos. There are different kind of videos also we will be uploading here. Please subscribe the channel if anybody not so far. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We will see you again in the next class. See you signing off. Bye bye.